Hey guys, and welcome to day 11 of the 12 Days of Christmas Crafting series. On today's video, I've got some sheet music here. I find these old books all the time at the bins, and I just love to look at them. But I decided that I wanted to make some ornaments using the sheet paper, and I've got a piece of scrapbook paper that I've cut to 4 inches by 8 inches as my template, and I'm just going to cut out a few sheets for these ornaments. Now, once you get them cut, we're just going to take it and we're just going to fold it back and forth, like almost making like a paper fan that we used to make in school. And we're just going to do that to both sheets of the paper. Now, once we have both sheets folded, we're going to fold them over in half. Once they're in half, we're going to take a little bit of hot glue and just glue them together. You could use any kind of glue you want. I just used hot glue. It just sticks faster to me. Now, once that is dry, I took a clamp and kind of just kept it together for a few minutes to make sure it was good and dry. Then you're going to fan out the paper and glue each opening together. Now, once we got all of our openings glued in the center where the fold is, you may have to add a little glue just to make sure it stays closed. And I'm going to do that for both of these on both sides. Now for the back of the ornaments, I've cut out these circles of scrapbook paper, and I'm just going to glue them to the center of this little ornament. These little scrapbook circles on the back will also help to hide the twine that we're going to use to hang the ornaments. Now I'm going to flip them over to the front. I'm trying to get rid of all these hot glue strings, and a tip take your heat gun, and that will melt away those little hot glue gun stringies. Now on the front, I've got these little Santa Claus tags that I got from Hobby Lobby. I've used them in previous Christmas DIYs, and I'm just hot gluing them to the front. I think they are so cute. Now to create our hanger, I've got this red, green, and white twine that I found at the bins. I'm just trying to find the starting point. And all I'm going to do is tie a knot and glue it behind that scrapbook paper on the back, and we will have a hanger. And here's how our little accordion ornaments turned out. They're so vintage looking. I absolutely love them. You guys leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you liked it, please consider liking and subscribing. Come back tomorrow to see our final Christmas crafting project, and I'll see you then. Bye.